The Milwaukee County court system is underwater. There are roughly 1,700 criminal and 3,000 misdemeanor cases stuck in the system. Defense attorneys confirm the pandemic made the backlog worse.
We have a once-in-a-lifetime tsunami of criminal cases in the Milwaukee County Courthouse.
12 News has just uncovered some of the first major steps to improve the backlog, including night court, more prosecutors, more judges, and public defenders.
Everything is sort of, as I said, all hands on deck, trying to figure out creative ways to resolve some of these cases.
In an exclusive interview with 12 News, the chief judge says they're hoping to speed things along with federal COVID dollars.
But certainly night court is something that is unique and would give us an opportunity to handle more cases outside the regular business hours.
Do you think some of this would help?
I think certainly we need to draw upon reserve judges who are retired judges to open some more felony courtrooms in Milwaukee County to start moving cases. I think night court is a really interesting idea that hasn't been tried in circuit court here.
Now, at the same time the courts are trying to ease the backlog, a group of Republican lawmakers are pushing for tougher bail. It could put more people in jail here where they are already near close to capacity. The Milwaukee Sheriff's Office tells 12 News there are 177 suspected murderers currently in jail awaiting trial. This as homicides continue on a record-setting pace, more than 30 already this year.
Crime rate in Milwaukee right now, it is unbelievable. You hear gunshots daily down there. It's like living in a third world country.
So when the jail says we're running out of space to put these people, what do you say to them?
First of all, I tell Milwaukee County to get back to work. For 2 years, they've been working part-time. This is a problem they created, and they need to figure it out.
Delafield lawmaker Cindy Duco says if courts looked at past criminal convictions when setting bail, it might have kept Waukesha parade suspect Darrell Brooks behind bars.
So if that means they have to go and rent other jail space somewhere else, that's what they need to do. But we packed the Bucks Arena, and we packed the Deer District, and they couldn't pack the courtroom. There's something wrong with that.
How do you respond to that?
And again, doing jury trials as soon as the summer of July of 2020. I didn't see anybody who wasn't trying to do their best. Time is of the essence, and we understand that in terms of trying to attack this backlog aggressively.
In Milwaukee, Hillary Mintz, WISN 12 News.
Some of these court changes could start next month. The backlog may still take about a year and a half before it's caught up.